Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss the steps to identify your core values, the guiding principles that shape your decisions, behavior, and life path. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more content on personal growth, mindset, and self-development. Thank you for your support, and let's dive deep into today's topic. Identifying your core values is an essential step toward understanding yourself, making better decisions, and living a purpose-driven life. There are several practical ways to discover what truly matters to you. In this video, I will guide you through examples and clear explanations to help you recognize the values that define who you are. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of your personal priorities and the principles that should guide your actions. 1. Reflect on peak moments. By thinking about times you felt happiest, most proud, or most fulfilled. What were you doing? Who was with you? What did these experiences teach you about what truly matters? 2. Consider admired people. List people, heroes, colleagues, family you admire. What specific qualities do you admire in them? These often mirror your own values. 3. Analyze strong emotions. Notice when you feel frustrated, angry, or upset. These strong reactions often signal a core value being violated, injustice and dishonesty as well. 4. Brainstorm and group values. Look at lists of common values such as authenticity, creativity, kindness, and security, and circle those that resonate. Group similar concepts such as health, wellness, self-care might become mind-body wellness. 5. Prioritize your top 3 to 5. Narrow your list down to your most fundamental beliefs. These should be non-negotiable principles that you'd stand by, even at a cost. 6. Define them in your own words by writing them down, what each chosen value means to you and why it's important, hence makes them personal and actionable. 7. Check for alignment. Review your daily decisions and actions. Do they honor your core values? Adjusting your life to align with these values brings greater satisfaction. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time to reflect on your core values with me today. I hope this video has helped you gain clarity on what truly matters to you and how it can guide your decisions and actions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with the values that resonate most with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on personal development, mindset, and self-growth. Until next time, stay true to your values, live purposefully, and keep growing every day. Goodbye and take care.